Hello and welcome back to Obie'z Lab. Today we are continuing our craft table series with part 2. We are gonna cut some boards, sand the tabletop, build a frame for a vinyl roll holder and root its inside edge. Finally, we are gonna use the Japanese wood burning method we used in the last video to treat several pieces of the table. Let's get to it.
Okay, so if you look, there's an outline right here. There's an outline in this corner over here. I'm gonna cut these little holes out. That's gonna allow a 2x4 structure to go through the back of the table. Vinyl holders will be right here, and then this other side will be a smaller set of 2x4s, and then a shelf will be on top. So let's get started with this. Okay, so there is what I just cut. Okay, so it seems to fit. There might be a little gap, but that'll be okay. Next part, old Linda's gonna do a little bit of sanding. Yep. We need to get everything. We need to get the shop vac going. We need to get all the fans going. We need a broom. So for this part, we're gonna cut these past this at 28 inches. They come out a foot on each. And it comes in, and then we gotta route out this side and this side over here. These panels in. So it's 5/16. So 62 and 5/16 is this measurement plus the 28 inches. That's what we needed. Look at this. Your craft batch is almost done. How does that make you feel?
Pretty good.
Hey boo boo, how does that make you feel?
Is that one perfect almost?
Almost. So now... Alright, let's put this thing together. Square joint. Oh yeah. Okay, so now gotta do the same thing with this piece.
Alright, now what?
What do you want? Or like one here, one there, one there, one there?
Sure, yes.
I hope all your lady friends are jealous. Your man can't make shit.
They might be able to make food better than you.
Ooh. Ooh. Like a person needs anything more than ramen noodles. And some cereal, alright? Oh, I think we should stop right here. And now it's gonna be tomorrow. Got a router in my hand. Come take a look. We're gonna route the seam out for the vinyl storage. Okay, so now flip her over, do the same thing. Oh, that works good. I had one of those 3 years ago. Next part is we're just gonna burn the support on the other other side. And this will be the end of the video. I think I like what about this is I think it'll be different things will be different tones. Like this might be a little bit darker. I'm not sure. Maybe it'll be a little bit. I just like that it's kind of however the wood is and then however you kind of burnt it. So it has a bunch of different factors. Another 2 days we did this. Next time we're gonna come back, we're gonna do the rest. We're put that other piece together, then burn it. We'll do the top shelf, we'll burn that. We'll shellac everything, we'll add the electronic parts to it, and that'll be our desk. Thank you for watching Obie'z Lab and stay tuned.